Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. My name is Chong. Today I'm going to show you how you can do a full web page screenshot using Chrome without extension, without any plugin, without any installations, and most importantly, it's a built-in feature and 100% free. So if you want to know how to capture a full web page, especially the long one, let's take a look. Let's go. Well, now, let's take a look. Like I mentioned, it will be 100% free and no extension needed. So first thing first, just go to a page that you wanted to capture. Especially is a long one. By the way, I'm using my own website. I'm still trying to play around with, my own portfolio. So imagine it will be a long one like this. You need to capture it. I understand that some of you might actually just capture part by part and then you use a image editor tools and you're going to combine it together, but it's actually going to take time. What if I'm telling you you can actually use a built-in feature of Chrome to capture this whole page with just one click? Let's just do it. Now I'm going to teach you the easy way. Right now, you just go to the web page, right click, and if you see this guy here, let me try here. If you see this guy here, oops, let me try, see whether I can do this or not. Just right click and inspect the page. Then you will call out the developer tools like this. So you should ever see something. If you are not a tech person, you never understand what is IT, you shall see this right hand side here, here, this side. It's like a lot of bunch of things that you don't understand. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to do anything about it. Just focus on this button here. Do you see these three dots underneath of the main three dots you have? Let me zoom in a little bit. This is the extended developer tools, which is the built-in tools on Chrome. Then once you inspect it, you click the inspect, you have these three dots here. Click on it, and the next thing you need is, did you see this guy called run command? Run command. I know sounds like asking you to doing something programming stuff, but don't worry, please follow me. Just click run command, and the next thing is, I'm not asking you to write code. I'm just asking you to type screenshot. Did you see there's a screenshot options here? One is capture area, the other one is capture full size, then you have capture note, and also a capture screenshot. Last one, capture screenshot, is like what you see is what you capture. So what you need here is click or tap this guy called capture full size screenshot. Let's do it. Once you've done it, you shall see your screen. It's like some scrolling effect, right? Give it a while, then you should see this save as dialog box open up. Then you just type the name, full page screenshot demo. Done. Now look at the folder. You shall have this, and let me open up, then I show you what you get. So this is the screenshot you get. Did you see this guy? Well, sometimes it's not like everything's being captured because the way the website being built or set up. For example, this page have this lazy loading image, whereby when you scroll it down, then the image only will be revealed. So what you can do to capture full elements is you scroll to the page, then you try capture it again. Anyway, do you find this amazing? It's very simple, right? This is what I'm talking about. Full web page screenshot in Chrome without any extension, without any plugin, without any installation, and most importantly, is free. So I've been showing you how to actually do a full web page screenshot using Chrome by utilizing the built-in tools, which is just inside the Chrome itself without any installation. It's a simple clicks and you can achieve that. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy this simple tutorial and achieve your your daily activities. Okay, if you like this video, I really need to can I seek your favorite? Like this channel, follow me. I'm sorry, like this video, follow this channel, and of course please share to your friends, whoever want to do a full screen web page screenshot like what I showed just now, and they've been struggle with paid licensing, don't know which one to choose from. Show them, sharing is caring. And once again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Chong. Hope to see you soon. Signing off. Technology Simplicity. See you again next time. Bye bye.